and a lot of physics in general is that the same thing happens in astronomy, where you hear these numbers and your brain just can't even be amazed by them because of the fact that it can't even conceive of them. It's one of the many, it's one of the greatest tragedies of our ape brains, I think, that they were built to deal with, how to get enough food to not starve and not to conceive of the stars.
I think they were built to understand the world, and we can understand infinity as well, let alone large numbers.
But we can't. It's difficult to. I think Descartes made a distinction between. I can't remember the terminology he used. It was something like conceiving and imagining, and I can't remember which way around he used. But he talked about like take a 125,000 sided shape. You can imagine it in the sense that you can know true facts about it. You can do maths with it. You can treat it as an object, and you can mess around with it just in your head. But you can't conceive of it in the sense of really seeing it in your mind's eye. You can't imagine that many sides all sort of in front of you. And I suppose there's one sense in which our brains can understand the universe, and that's the first sense, where we can know how many stars there are in a galaxy, and we can do maths, and we can work out the gravitational pull of each of those and the trajectory of the galaxy and this kind of stuff. But that's another thing from that's a separate thing from conceiving of it in the sense of being able to really understand what it means to think of a number that large.
I don't think this is anywhere near as bad as you think.